In this video, we are going to see for loop in PHP. This is like a Java. The for loop is used for determinate loop. If the iterations are fixed, we can go for loop. I want to do the same process for 10 times. I can go for loop. General format is for expression 1, expression 2, expression 1 is initial value, expression 2 is condition, expression 3 is increment. Okay. I want to do it for 10 times, means for x equal to 0, my condition is that it has to execute for 10 times. It has to increment by 1 by 1. So I plus x plus plus. It has to tell the number. Very simple. Now I have started with the 0. My condition is the 0 is x is less than 10. So it will print the number is 0. Then it will be incremented. Okay. The open calibre and close calibre is used for the starting and the ending of the for loop. X is 0 is the initial value. X less than 10 is the condition. X plus plus is the increment value. It is working for 10 times. I want to make it as 15 times means and change the condition as 15. Okay. This is for the for loop. Okay. We are having this is for the determinate loop. I know the iteration has to be done for the 10 times. I can use this for loop. In between, you want to come out of the loop, you can use the break statement. I'm just checking the condition for 10 times. If there is a condition, if condition occurs, I don't want to print for 3 means, then I can come out. Break use statement can be used. Then continuous, I want to only skip the iteration. I don't want to come out from the loop. Then you can use the continue. This break will come out of the loop that will stop all the activity, all the conditions, but continue that will stop that itinerary, that iteration, and next iteration will be executed. If it is equal to 4 means it will not print, it will come out of that one and it will continue the next iteration. So break and continue can be used for this for loop. There is another for loop. This is called a for each loop. This is for the when we are using array, you want to print all the array elements, you can use the for each. Because most of the arrays are dynamic arrays. We don't know the array length. Then I can use for each elements in the array, color is a array, colors is a array. We are having 4 elements. I don't know the number of elements. So what I am doing is I just fetch the color value into X and I can print the value. This will do up to whatever value, how many values available. There is no need of array length. It will just take all the elements. So it is kind of for each array. So in the for loop, what we are here saying, for loop is for determinate loop. If the iteration is fixed, we can use the for loop. You want to come out of the loop, you can use break. You want to skip one iteration and you want to continue means you can use the continue. If it is a dynamic array, without knowing the length, you want to use the loop means you want to print the value in the array without knowing the length means you can use for each loop. These are about for loops.